Welcome to another UAS weekly news update. And this week it's kind of a light week. I'm not going to try to make up stuff to fill in a 10 or 11 minute video. So this is probably going to be a quick one, but I'd rather do this than just fill your ears with a bunch of emptiness. So this week I want to talk about this company called Flirtey, and they've been in a business for a while, and they just came up with a new delivery drone that's actually pretty neat looking. So I'm going to talk about this. The other thing is I want to talk about DJI again, and they're doing a partnership for data collection and data analysis, which is an interesting step forward for DJI as they're taking over the world of drones. And then the last one is kind of a cool one, not necessarily realistic, I guess, but there's an off-roader that uses actually drones for headlamps. So I'm going to show you some pictures of that because I think it's pretty cool. All right, so let's get started. Let's dive into it. Okay, first piece of news this week is this company Flirtey. Now, Flirtey is a company based in Reno, Nevada. They've been around since 2015, and they actually made the news a couple times for their drone delivery, and they're kind of at the leading part of the drone delivery business. Now, this time they have a drone that will deliver actually defibrillators to homes. And I think that's a pretty cool concept. When we talk about drone delivery, we talk about delivering somebody's taco or somebody's coffee cup, which I think is a bit of a waste. But in this case, they're doing something good, which I think is cool. Now, the drone is called the Eagle. This thing is designed to be delivering goods within about 10 minutes of where the drone is located. So that's actually pretty neat, pretty quick, especially in case of an emergency, like somebody needing something at their home because somebody's getting a heart attack or whatever it is. So the drone actually uses a platform that's it's a software platform. It's kind of autonomous, which is pretty cool. And it's just basically going to send the drone to the right location. Then you'll see the crane comes down and basically drops the item on the property and then flies away and goes to something else. So it can carry several things at the same time, which I think is really neat. So as always, I'll put a link in the comment if you want to see more information about it. And tell me what you think. Do you think this is a good application for drone delivery? Is this better than actually delivering a cup of coffee? Or do we need to start with cups of coffee and then go into something else? I want to hear from you. The next thing is DJI again in the news this week. They're going to partner with a French company called Delair. And Delair is known for kind of their software and analysis tools that help enterprise users. Now, this is exactly what DJI is trying to do, is get into the software and the analysis side of things. They have the drones that can capture the data, which is one good thing, but then you need to do something with the data. In this case, they will be analyzing with this partnership. Now, Delair is involved in construction, they're involved in transportation, they're involved in mining, agriculture, you name it, all the stuff where drones have an application. So this partnership actually makes a whole lot of sense. From DJI's standpoint, being able to offer this analysis service to their enterprise users is, to me, like the next step. This is something that they need to be doing in order to be an all-in-one solution. So I think it's an interesting move. I think it's a logical move, and be interesting to see what happens next with DJI and where they're going to try to take over the world of drones with what's the next big thing. So we'll find out. The last thing I want to talk about this week, like I said, this is kind of a quick one, but I think this is pretty cool. Now, I'm kind of a gearhead. I kind of really enjoy cars, and I'm an Audi guy. I actually just saw today that Audi is going to release the RS6 Avant, which is their wagon version of the RS6, which is the been waiting for this for 25 years in the US for this car to be released. And I'm excited. It's actually coming to the US. Now, it's way above my price point, but it's a really cool car. So anyway, I'm getting off track. I love this car. With that being said, Audi released this concept ATV. Now, ATV, off-road vehicle, at the Frankfurt car show, motor show. And it's called it's kind of a mouthful. It's the Audi AI Trail. And it's got a 2 comma in there. Anyway, it's kind of the weird way to spell it. But it's an all-electric ATV that basically looks like a dune buggy. You can see the pictures right here. And the kind of cool thing, the drone related thing about it, is it's got 2 drones that take off and at night are going to fly ahead of the ATV and light up the road. Now, is it convenient? Is it logical? Is it something that's likely going to happen? No. The idea, I think, is pretty novel and just worth mentioning right here. So I think it's a cool concept. I like the idea of these guys kind of playing with the drones. Obviously, likely not something that we're going to see, but just an innovative way of using drones, I think, in the future. So this is really all I have for this week. As always, if you have a comment, leave it down in there. I'm always enjoying spending time with you guys and going back and forth talking about drones. Like the video if you liked it, and then subscribe to the channel. We're growing really fast, so if you want to get the notification, just go ahead and subscribe. And this is it for this week. I'll see you guys next week with hopefully some kind of more exciting news than we had this week. All right, this is it. Have a great weekend.